Hey everyone, so once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, in today's video I really don't know that on which things I'm going to talk, but I know that right now I have fear. I'm just smiling, so please don't judge my fear with my smile, because I have fear because after 1 week I'm doing practice here. In my last week I was not doing English speaking practice. Even I have not made any videos because of that. Right now I have fear that how will I speak English. And really I have not decided that on which things I'm going to talk in this video. I'm just doing my English speaking practice, and I'm recording this video for listening my voice not well. You can just check my voice. I'm not well. I have lost my real voice. This is not my real voice. So I, because of my health issues, I was not doing English speaking practice for last 1 week, and after that I'm feeling very fear that I am not able to speak in English language. I cannot speak in English language. Even right now, I'm feeling that what will I speak? What will I speak? I am finding very tough this situation. So let's continue. Let's try to continue this video. So, guys, if I talk about the fear, so fear means what? Or we are maker of our fear. As I have experienced, I have made my fear. Likewise all people just make their fear. All people, they are maker of their fear. Everybody, they are maker of their fear, and after that they say that I have fear, how can I speak English? I have fear, how can I learn English language? You are making fear, that's why you are not able to speak in English language. And this we do not maintain consistency. First of all, we do not maintain consistency, and as a result we do not maintain consistency, and after that as a result we get that we are not able to do anything just because of fear. So I have created my fear because of not maintaining consistency. I'm feeling very fear, and I can say that I'm the reason. Because of that I have fear, because I was not maintaining consistency. I did not try to speak in English language for last 1 week. That's why right now I am feeling very fear, and this is the main reason. Because of that, and all the person, they have fear because they are making that situation like as a fear, and they are not doing their practice. They are not working every day. They are skipping one day. If they are doing practice today, then tomorrow they will not do. After one day they will again start. So in this way they are not consistent, and just because of not maintaining consistency, they have fear. They are creating the environment of fear in their mind, and maybe this is your first reason. Because of that you are not improving your English. And if I talk about second reason, that because of that mostly people are not able to speak in English language, that is finding perfection in English language. Yeah, this is the second reason. Because of that mostly person are not able to start their journey. So what did I do? In my initial days I was not very motivated to learn this language. Somehow I started, and just by looking people, I was, when I used to watch videos of very fluent English speaker, I was not getting motivation. I was getting demotivation that now they are able to speak English, they are speaking very fluent English, I can never ever speak in English language. I was thinking, I was comparing my English to their English, and that's why I was very negative. I was not motivated. Okay, so that is why. And somewhere I was finding perfection even if I was able to speak in English language, but I was not accepting that yes, I'm able to speak in English language. Why? Because I was finding perfection. I was not finding motivation in my language that time. I was finding perfection. I was not happy whatever I had that time. I was just looking for those things that I did not have, and that's why I was not happy. And likewise guys, in this time people are not improving their English, not able to think that yes, they are able to speak in English language, because There is only one reason, and that is finding perfection in English language. And maybe you will be comparing your English to others English, that they are able to speak very fluent English. I'm not. Maybe you will be comparing your English or yourself to other person. That's why you are not able to see the motivation in your language, not able to see your improvement because of finding perfection. See, but in one day we do not get perfection, but doing work every day, obviously you will get perfection. Just by putting your effort, just by putting your hard work, by doing practice, always you will be perfect in that work. Always don't find perfection if you have recently started your journey. So don't think that when you be very perfect in that work, then you will start. Or mostly in English language learners, they are thinking that if they have knowledge about English language, then they will start speaking. So they are finding perfection, and that perfect day will never come. If you just think that that perfect day will come, then I will start speaking. So that day will never come. You will be just wasting your time. So do not waste your time. Whatever you have, start from that, and don't make your circumstances your reason to stop you. You are the barrier. There is nothing that stop us. We are the reason. We always think about the perfection, and because of that we stop our journey. So here in this video I have shared two reasons because of that we do not improve our English. First reason was that fear. As I have fear, not I cannot say that this time I have fear. When I started making this video, that time I was thinking that I always thinks I'm going to talk, but as I started feeling confidence, and words started coming to my mind. So that was fear. That time I had fear. So only one thing, only two things stop you, that is your fear that you make by yourself. And after that, second reason is that finding perfection in your work. When you just start your journey, that time you always find perfection. So that is your second reason. Okay, so don't always find perfection, and don't feel fear. Do not be a maker of fear. Be seeker of confidence, be seeker of motivation in your all work. And once you become the seeker of motivation in all always in your work, then nothing can stop you. Not fear, not finding perfection, because that time you will be perfect. You will be the seeker of goodness in all things. So you will never become very negative person, or you will never become very fear person. Okay, so I hope that you got to learn two things from this video. First thing that is that if you have fear, means you are making that fear. Stop making that fear, start working on your work, so that you could remove the fear whatever you have. And second is that perfection. So in a day, nobody can be perfect in any work. Always by working, by putting, by practicing, anybody can be perfect one day. So wait for that day, and always work for that perfection. If you like, if you got something, so please do like and subscribe to this channel. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, have a nice day.